welcome back. So in this video we are going to understand the contest problem 480, and the question saying that question is 3775. We have to reverse the word with the same vowel count. This is what the question title is saying. Okay, but we'll understand what we need to do that. Okay, very first what we have given, let's understand. It is saying that we have given a string s. So s is consist of some words. Let's call the very first we have cat, then we have is a space. I'll give this a space like this, and then we have another word is and, then we have a space, and then we have mice. Means cat and mice we have given the string s. So this is the very first statement saying we have cat and mice and a cat and mice, and these are separated with comma. So what it is saying, what it does it mean is that this is the word 1, this is a word 2, and this is a word 3, and each are separated with this and nothing but this is called comma. Okay, this is a single comma, we can say that. Okay, this is what the question is saying. That now the question is saying that you have to determine how many vowels we have in this, right? Means we have to count the number of vowels. Okay, so how many vowels we have? There is only one vowels we have here, right? Now it is saying that you have to reverse the all other words w1 and w2 and w3 in case if have the same number of count of the vowels. So we have to count this if it is exactly the same. Let's suppose it is coming one here. If it is coming one here also, let's suppose how many we have, there is only one, so the count is matching. So if both have the same, means this is having one and this is having one, if both having the same number of count of the vowels, in that case you have to reverse this word, right? What you need to do, if it is equal to, it means you have to reverse the word. This is what the question is saying, right? And then you have to return the complete string again. But in this case, if you see in this word, we have two vowels. If it is more than 2 or less than, what you need to do, it will not get counted. Is it equal to, right? Then we will not do anything, we will leave it as it is. So if you see, let's reverse it. So what will happen for these cases? So I'll say after the resultant, the very first word was cat. Now we have to reverse this string one. So we'll say, okay, D and A is the I'll give the underscore for the space and the mice. You have not to give them a space, but you have to take like a single space in both spaces. And this is the answer. You will say, what is this? This is your answer. If you observe here, if you can see the answer cat, D and mice, the space is here. This is what you need to do. Okay, it's very simple, right? What you need to do, right? You can try by yourself. You pause this video and try by yourself. Okay, बहुत easy है guys, no need to worry. सबसे पहले क्या करना है, सारे को separate कर सकते हो आप string के space के through, right? And you will find the words, right? And for each word क्या करना है, उससे find करना है counts, vowels. चेक करो नेक्स्ट वर्ड्स में, अगर काउंट सेम आ रहा है तो रिवर्स कर दो उस वर्ड को और रिटर्न कर दो. जब भी आप रिवर्स कर रहे हो, कनकनेक्ट करके आप क्या कर सकते हो, स्ट्रिंग बिल्डर के थ्रू ईच वर्ड को कनकनेक्ट करो और रिटर्न कर सकते हो फाइनली. ओके, यू ट्राई बाय योरसेल्फ एंड लेट्स कंटिन्यू. सो वेरी फर्स्ट व्हाट यू नीड टू डू, you will split the code based on the space, because as you remember we had given this string as cat, then there was a space, then it was and then we have I think mice. Yeah, mice. This is what we have given. Okay, so very first you have this space, right? So use this space and think that how many what you call the words we have, right? So if you take the words, let's suppose if you convert this word into each word in each cell, we can say. So we can say we will take the array. So we will convert this string to array. Okay, so this is nothing but the string we have given. Now we have to take the string of array. Okay, so each word like this will cat here and here, mice will come like this. Okay, this is what we want to do. The very first you split it, right? You will convert into the words. Once you have the words, you know that the very first word is at words at 0, so you will use this function to count the vowels. So you will create a separate method like this utility method, and you will take, let's suppose, this very first word at words at 0. If this is string words, right? If this is what we have, so at words what we have is cat, right? So very first you will convert this cat, this is a string, right? So you have to, from the string you will use to-char array method, and you will convert into character. So each character you can traverse and you can check if this is a, e, I, o, u, then this is a plus plus, and otherwise not. So you have the count, and you will return the number count, how many words are there. So very first you will traverse C is not a vowel, A is a vowel, T is not a vowel, so count will become 1. So target vowel we have is 1. Now for other words, right, we will start from here, right? This is 1 and this is 2. 0 you have already checked. Now we will start from 1. So you see we are starting I equal to 1, and the words will going to the length dot length, all the length, right? Very first you target we have, you will use the count again, count vowels for the AND function, sorry, AND string, and then you will check the target. If it is matching the target, you will add into the string builders. How we are going to do? Very first word at I you will store, right? How we are going to store? So you know that words at I is some value we have, right? So what you will do, you will take the string builder and you will reverse this string. So let's suppose the next time AND will come, so we'll move to D and A, you will make it to the reverse one, and you will add it here. So whenever you are going to do the join, right? So you know that you have the words. So word at I remaining, this will be remain same, this will remain same, right? In this case I'm talking about, not other cases. So in these cases, but this should be replaced. So that is why we use words at I. So words at I will come means words at 1 has been replaced to reverse order, and then we will do the string dot join, and we will add all the spaces at each index. So index at 0 is cat, index at 1 is DNA, and the mice. So each will be concatenated through this single space, and then you will return it. So this is what we are doing, guys. In case if you love this video, please hit subscribe this channel, give thumbs up, and share with your friends. Thank you so much. In case you are seeking with preparation in the structured way, make sure you can join our online classes, and for that you need to contact me. You can get a schedule contact through the WhatsApp. So please do the WhatsApp and connect with me. I'll, on the minimal charges, we can do the regular preparation, and you can crack any FANG interviews and the product based companies based on your target and the systematic preparation. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.
Thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and let us know what you want to learn next in the comment below. And thank you for watching this video.